What if the secret to your biggest dreams is hidden inside a tiny seed, just like Bulbasaur's? From a tiny seed to a powerful bloom, Bulbasaur's story isn't just about evolving, it's about the incredible journey of growth we all experience. Today, we're diving deep into the very first Pokémon in the Pokédex to uncover a surprising truth. Its unique journey holds a powerful lesson about your own potential. How does this iconic starter teach us about growing stronger, not just physically, but in every single way? Get ready, because Bulbasaur is about to show you how to truly blossom. All right, let's kick things off by meeting the legend itself, Bulbasaur. This is Pokémon number 1, the very first entry in the National Pokédex, and it's known as the Seed Pokémon. It's a fascinating grass and poison type, instantly recognizable by that distinctive green bulb on its back. But here's the cool part. That bulb isn't just a design choice. It's actually a seed that was planted on Bulbasaur's back at birth. This seed grows with Bulbasaur, absorbing sunlight to give it energy, almost like a living solar panel. It's this incredible blend of plant and animal working together in perfect harmony. Personality-wise, Bulbasaur is often described as calm, loyal, and incredibly steadfast. Ash's Bulbasaur in the anime, for example, famously refused to evolve, showing its strong will and dedication. It's the ultimate beginner's friend, representing the very start of a grand adventure for many trainers. But how does this unique blend of plant and animal translate into battle? When it comes to battling, Bulbasaur is an amazing all-around option, especially when you're just starting your Pokémon journey. Its grass poison typing gives it fantastic advantages against common types like water, ground, and rock, and it even resists several others, helping it stay in the fight longer. Bulbasaur's special attack is actually its highest stat, so moves like the classic Vine Whip hit surprisingly hard, but it's not just about offense. Bulbasaur is a master of supportive moves too. It can use Leech Seed to slowly drain an opponent's health and heal itself, or Sleep Powder to put foes to sleep, completely controlling the flow of battle. And don't forget its ability, Overgrow. When Bulbasaur's health gets low, its grass-type moves get a massive power boost, turning a tough situation into a potential comeback. It's a smart, strategic fighter that uses special attacks and status effects to wear down opponents. But even with all these strengths, every Pokémon, like every person, faces its own set of challenges. Now, as much as we love Bulbasaur, it's important to understand its vulnerabilities. Despite its many strengths, that grass poison typing comes with some pretty common weaknesses. Bulbasaur is weak to flying, fire, psychic, and ice-type attacks. You'll run into these types often, so you have to be careful. Another challenge is Bulbasaur's speed. It's not the fastest Pokémon out there, so it often attacks after its opponent. This means it might take a hit before it can even make a move, which can be a real problem against a powerful attacker. While it's balanced, Bulbasaur isn't a super powerful attacker right off the bat. It really needs to evolve to truly unlock its full potential. Imagine facing a speedy fire type like Charmander with your Bulbasaur. That can be a real struggle if you're not prepared. Trainers need to be aware of these matchups and know when to switch Bulbasaur out to protect it. Understanding these limitations actually helps us appreciate its journey even more, especially when we look at the deeper meaning behind its unique design. This is where Bulbasaur gets truly fascinating. Its design is a brilliant blend of reptile, like a toad or frog, and plant. The saur in its name actually comes from the Greek word for lizard, perfectly capturing its dual nature. And that seed on its back? That's not just a cute accessory. It represents inherent potential, a seed of growth present from birth, absorbing sunlight just like a real plant. This symbiotic relationship, where plant and animal work together and the bulb's visible growth, mirrors botanical cycles. It symbolizes life, fertility, and continuous development, a profound concept. Even its dual typing, grass and poison, has meaning. Grass embodies life and nature, while poison suggests defense or hidden strength, showing a balance of nurturing and protection. And here's a fun detail. The bulb visibly grows as it evolves. It's a literal representation of maturity, from a tiny seed to a full-blown flower. Being number 1 in the Pokédex isn't random either. It emphasizes its foundational role and the idea of new beginnings. Bulbasaur's journey from a tiny seed to a powerful bloom isn't just a Pokémon story. It's a powerful metaphor for our own lives. So, Let's connect all these amazing dots. Bulbasaur's growth from a small seed to a magnificent flower teaches us so much about our own potential, doesn't it? Just like the seed on Bulbasaur's back, we all start with unique talents and abilities waiting to be nurtured. We've all got our own little bulb of potential inside us. And its evolution through Ivysaur to Venusaur shows us that growth is a gradual, transformative process, not some overnight event. You don't just wake up a Venusaur, right? It takes time and effort. Just as Bulbasaur needs sunlight and care, our own growth requires patience, effort, and a supportive environment. You can't rush a good bloom. Bulbasaur's ability to adapt and overcome its weaknesses also reflects how we can learn from challenges and grow stronger ourselves. It's all about resilience. So embrace your unique journey, nurture your seed, and trust that with time, you too can blossom into something powerful and unique. So, Bulbasaur reminds us that true strength and beauty come from within, and that growth is a natural, continuous process. It's not a race, it's a journey. Just like the seed on Bulbasaur's back, your potential is always there, ready to bloom. You just gotta give it some sunlight and care. What seed of potential are you nurturing in your own life right now? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to keep discovering incredible lessons from the world of Pokémon, make sure you're subscribed. Next time, we'll explore another fascinating Pokémon and its hidden lessons. You won't want to miss it.